In this video, I'll show you how you can save a backup of your entire PC on an external drive. Now, first step, what we want to do is make sure we have an external drive enabled, and then we want to go to Control Panel. So search for Control Panel right here, and then once you're in here, what you want to do is press on Backup and Restore. Then you should get in here, and you're going to press on the Setup Backup. Then let this load for a little bit, and you will come to this place. And from in here, I can see my external hard drive right here. So I'm just gonna click on it and then press Next. Then from in here, I usually just let the Windows choose, but you can choose if you want to do it yourself. It's just all of the things that will be saved. Simply press Next again, and you will come to this page. Now, once you're in this page, you can change the schedule for when you want it to be, and simply press Save Settings and Run Backup. Now, once you press on this button, you will now run a backup and you will save it on your PC. Then, if you ever want to go back to the backup you just saved, simply go to your external drive and you can relaunch it from in there. That's basically how you can do it on Windows, guys, and it's super simple and super easy. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.